Forgotten username recovery failed on Deserve EDU Fix. If you've been struggling to recover your Deserve EDU username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because Deserve EDU now relies on your registered email or phone number instead of traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that trying to remember old usernames rarely works and can waste valuable time. Here's the fix. Step 1. Go to the Deserve EDU login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. This is how Deserve identifies you securely. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email or phone number, you'll need to verify your identity. Gather details like your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific information. This ensures only the rightful owner can regain access. Step 3. Once verified, follow the instructions to reset your password. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the recovery email immediately. Step 4. If these steps fail, contact Deserve support directly. Explain that your username recovery attempts failed and provide the required personal information. Their support team will guide you safely through the recovery process. Many users assume losing a username locks them out forever, but Deserve EDU switched to email and phone-based login to enhance security and simplify access. By following these steps, you'll quickly regain access. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity as needed, and you'll be back managing your Deserve EDU account and monitoring your credit confidently.